Every time he felt this, a kind of electrifying burst began to form inside him that seemed to light his way, and not in a certain way, but in a zigzag pattern. It was both warm and disturbing, but also warm and energizing. When lightning was under his spell, it seemed there was a feeling of outburst, which he did not understand. He felt that if he didn't budge something with all these sensations, they would hide back inside him, threatening to burst out with even more force next time. This burst does not fit so well between all these floating planets hovering next to him, whether higher in the world of stars and tulips, or lower on Earth.